Art has been around for thousands of years, but it's never stopped evolving. From cave paintings to digital creations, art continues to adapt and change with the times. Today, we're at the forefront of a new era of art, where technology is playing an increasingly important role. In this video, we'll be talking about how technology is changing the way we create and experience art, and what the future might hold for this dynamic and ever-evolving field. Part 1. The history of art and technology. Art and technology have been intertwined for centuries, from the printing press to photography, and now digital art. But what is digital art, exactly? Simply put, digital art is art created using digital technology, and it encompasses a wide range of styles and mediums, including digital painting, 3D modeling, and animation. In the early days of digital art, artists had to work with limited tools and technology. But as technology has advanced, so has the potential for digital art. Today, digital artists have access to incredibly powerful tools, and they're using them to create stunning works of art that would have been impossible just a few years ago. Part 2. The rise of digital art. The rise of digital art has been one of the biggest changes in the art world over the past few decades. With the advent of computers, artists can now create digital paintings, animations, and sculptures that would have been impossible just a few years ago. Digital art also opens up new avenues for collaboration, as artists can work with others from anywhere in the world in real time. From the pixelated graphics of the 80s to the stunningly realistic 3D worlds of today, digital art is continually pushing the boundaries of what's possible. One of the most exciting things about digital art is its accessibility. Artists no longer need to have a traditional art education or access to expensive equipment to create their work. With digital tools, anyone with a passion for art and a willingness to learn can start creating digital art. This has led to a democratization of the art world and has opened up new opportunities for artists from all walks of life. Part 3. Virtual and augmented reality. Virtual and augmented reality are taking the art world to new heights. With VR, artists can create immersive experiences that transport viewers to entirely new worlds. Meanwhile, AR adds digital elements to our physical world, creating new opportunities for interaction and exploration. From virtual galleries to augmented street art, these technologies are changing the way we experience and interact with art. Virtual reality has the potential to revolutionize the way we experience art, and it's already being used in museums and galleries around the world. Visitors can use VR headsets to explore virtual exhibitions, and they can even interact with the art in new and exciting ways. For example, they might be able to move through a virtual space, exploring different rooms and perspectives, or they might be able to manipulate the art itself, changing its appearance and behavior in real time. Augmented reality, on the other hand, brings digital elements into our physical world, creating new opportunities for art to interact with our environment. For example, an AR-powered mural might change its appearance depending on the time of day, or a street artist might create an AR-powered mural that responds to the movement of passing pedestrians. The possibilities are endless, and the results can be truly mind-blowing. Part 4. The Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, IoT, is also playing a role in the evolution of art. With connected devices, artists can create interactive installations that respond to our movements and actions. For example, an IoT-powered sculpture might change its appearance based on the weather, or a painting might have different elements that light up or move based on the viewer's proximity. This type of art allows for a new level of interaction and engagement, and it opens up exciting new possibilities for artists and viewers alike. Part 5. The future of art. So, where is all of this leading? What does the future of art look like? It's impossible to know for sure, but one thing is clear. Technology will continue to play an increasingly important role in the art world. From virtual and augmented reality to the Internet of Things, technology is changing the way we create and experience art. It's opening up new avenues for collaboration and accessibility, and it's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Art has always been about pushing boundaries, exploring new ideas, and telling stories. With technology, we have new tools to do all of that and more. The future of art is bright, and it's exciting to think about what artists will create in the years to come. Whether it's virtual reality, augmented reality, or the Internet of Things, technology is changing the art world, and we're all going to benefit from the new possibilities that it brings.